Ayo, this your boy Kid Ink, you rockin' with my man DJ Tech, alumni in the building. Hold on.
Beats with this agile tone, steel teeth, blood splatter poem, shatter bones, drag them home, bury the remains of my catacombs. I'm a killer, my vicious tactic. I sacrifice your heart, this art is my religious practice. Spark a torch, mark a porch, I start to scorch. Tell me I ain't heating up. For the slow-minded, you keeping up. For the low lives that I strayed from, the jocks who wanted to beat me up. I had no life and I stayed home, and these dreams of mine would keep me up.
I got angels and demons, I got angels and demons, I got angels and demons, I got angels and demons. Got an angel on my shoulder, a demon on the ceiling. I'm trying to keep it real, but also trying to make a million.
Horror stories in my oratories. Hope my city don't destroy me, trying to obtain the glory and bring it back. But what if somebody does it before me? Shorty saying she horny, I'm too busy having orgies with my dream that she annoys me. Trying to be a man and not the boy me. Woe is me, but my poetry asphyxiate my haters.
Go to sleep.
Crucifix on my lucid shit. Spew this gift, rude boy, but got a rude click, and y'all rude men. I hear Ruger's clicking, I'm losing it.
I got angels and demons, I got angels and demons, I got angels and demons, I got angels and demons. Got an angel on my shoulder, a demon on the ceiling. I'm trying to keep it real, but also trying to make a million.